Are you looking to grow your home services business, but tired of juggling disconnected tools, complicated software, or marketing teams that just don't get it? At Marketing 360, we specialize in home service marketing and have been doing it for over 15 years. From pest control to carpet cleaning, lawn care, tree care, handyman, tool services, window cleaning, house cleaning, and beyond, we've helped countless home service businesses get more leads, win more customers, and build long-term success. What makes us different? We don't just give you the technology you need to scale. We give you the talent you need to grow. With Marketing 360, you don't just get a powerful all-in-one platform. You get a dedicated marketing expert that knows the home service marketing industry inside and out. Think of them as your chief marketing officer without the salary, with the singular goal of helping you grow your business. At Marketing 360, we handle everything from website design to SEO and ads, reviews, social media, email marketing, and even how you can leverage AI so you can focus on what you do best. So don't waste money on unproven agencies, in-house marketing teams, or subpar tools. Partner with us and get everything you need from one platform, one team, and one affordable monthly price. Ready to grow your home service business? Let's build something great together.